Hi, I'm Chip Wayne and I want to show you my top 3 favorite features of smart lighting with Netatmo. Come on. First up, let's talk about style. Legrand's smart lighting with Netatmo has 2 distinctive designer collections. The first is called Adorn. These beautiful switch plate covers go over the more square devices, and they have a broad assortment of designer finishes that look absolutely amazing. Now the second is called Radiant. This is a more sophisticated, slightly more understated rectangular device design. Of course, there's tons of styles and colors in this one as well. Next up, let's talk about flexibility. The Netatmo system offers battery-powered devices that are super slim and low profile that you can put pretty much anywhere. You don't even need a powered electrical box to power these because the small battery does it all for you. Now this can be a single pole switch, a 3-way, even scene control to customize your entire home. And finally, let's talk about connectivity. Netatmo offers its own dedicated mesh network to take all the burden off of your Wi-Fi network for elevated performance. Now this smart gateway is where all the action happens. You can see just how compact it is. Make sure to give smart lighting with Netatmo a look today.